Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally this video is ready. I'm going to show you guys how I did my knotless braid, and please, before you come for me, I had the help of my sisters, because assuming I did this hair on my own alone, it would have taken me about 3 days to finish my own hair, because my hair is actually very big. So I got the help of my two sisters. One was helping me get the hair extensions or hair attachments ready, and the other one was helping me at the back while I did the other side of the hair. So in case you're wondering, and I did this hair under 6 hours. I think it took me 6 hours to complete this hair. Yes, 6 hours. So without wasting time, if you're interested to see how I made this hair, if you want to see how it turned out, then keep on watching. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and also go ahead and watch other videos that I have on this channel. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm going to allow you guys to watch me do what I know how to do. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and without wasting time, let me So finally, and this is what it looks like. Actually, we are not even done with the hair at this point. It was remaining the length of the hair and hot water and curling the hair, but I just decided to show off my hair a little bit because I was so excited. This is the first time I am braiding my hair after 7 years. I've been doing a lot of sew-ins and wigs all these years because I hate pain, but finally I decided to do this, so I was so excited. So this is the aftercare of how I take care of my braids. I just oiled my scalp with my hair growth oil that I made, and yes, this oil is currently up for sale and you can DM me on Instagram to order yours. So this is what I'm going to do for the rest of the month. I don't know how long I'm going to carry this, but nothing less than 1 month actually. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.